Hello and welcome to Pets and Animals, your go-to source for all things pets. Today, we're taking flight into the enchanting world of avian companions. Join us as we unveil the top 10 pet birds in the world, each with its own unique charm and personality. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or considering a feathery friend, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Number 10, Cockatiel. Starting off our list at number 10 is the lovable Cockatiel. These small parrots are known for their playful personalities, distinctive crests, and friendly demeanor. They are excellent choices for first-time bird owners, bringing joy and laughter to any household. Number 9, Budgerigar. At number 9, we have the Budgerigar, affectionately known as the Budgie. These pine-sized parakeets are bursting with personality and come in a kaleidoscope of colors. They're not only visually stunning but also incredibly intelligent and can be taught various tricks and commands. Number 8, African Grey Parrot. In the 8th position, we find the African Grey Parrot, one of the smartest birds on the planet. Renowned for their remarkable ability to mimic human speech and their problem-solving skills, African Greys form deep bonds with their owners and are like having a feathered Einstein in your home. Number 7, Finches. Number 7 is occupied by the charming finch family. These small, melodious birds are famous for their enchanting songs and beautiful plumage. Finches are easy to care for and bring tranquility to any bird lover's life. Number 6, Lovebirds. At the 6th spot, we have lovebirds. These tiny parrots are all about companionship. They form strong pair bonds and are known for their affectionate behaviors. Lovebirds are perfect for those seeking a close-knit relationship with their avian companions. Number 5, Eclectus Parrot. Taking 5th place is the breathtaking Eclectus Parrot. With their vibrant and distinct plumage, these parrots are the epitome of tropical beauty. Their gentle disposition and adaptability make them a captivating addition to any home. Number 4, Macaws. Securing the 4th position are the magnificent macaws. With their impressive size and brilliant plumage, macaws are impossible to ignore. These social birds are known for their outgoing personalities and can be the life of the party in your household. Number 3, Cockatoos. Cockatoos soar in at number 3. These charismatic birds are famous for their playful and affectionate nature. With their distinctive crests and lively personalities, cockatoos are sure to steal your heart. Number 2, Canaries. Our runner-up at number 2 is the melodious canary. These songbirds bring joy with their enchanting tunes and vibrant colors. Canaries create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere in any home. Number 1, Parakeets. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Claiming the top spot on our list are parakeets. These small, social birds are the ultimate companions. With their adaptability, friendly personalities, and vibrant characters, parakeets are the perfect choice for bird lovers. There you have it, the top 10 pet birds in the world. Each of these feathered friends offers a unique experience and the opportunity to form a special bond. Remember, owning a pet bird is a rewarding responsibility, so provide them with love, care, and a stimulating environment. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content on pets and animals. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in our next video.